Hello, hi students. Today we are going to learn Introduction to Non-Trading Institutions. Okay. These non-trading institutions are just like organizations, just are charitable institutions, religious organizations, clubs, educational institutions, trade union, temples, etc. These are non-trading institutions. Non-trading institutions means those institutions which do not aim to earn profit, but they aim to provide services to public and society. Okay, this is our chapter where we are going to learn non-trading institutions accounting, their problems. Okay, before that we learn characteristics or features of non-trading institutions. Okay, what are the features? First feature is social service. The main objective of non-trading concern is to provide goods or services that fulfill a social need. There is neither motive of profit or expectation of earning net income. Means, before I said they do not aim to earn profit, but their aim is to fulfill a social need, to provide services to public and society. Second, sources of income. The main sources of income for non-trading institutions are subscription, donation, government grants, fees, etc. Okay, they are non-trading institution means they do not purchase or sell. Therefore, their incomes are subscriptions, donation or government grants, fees, etc. given by public or governments. Okay. What is next? Next is the use of surplus. What we are getting by donation, subscription, after using it, what is left with us is surplus. Okay, surplus, use of surplus. If there is excess of income over expenditure is utilized in next year to provide better goods and services to society. Means if any surplus is left with us, it is used in next year to provide good and better services to society. Okay. After that, distribution of surplus means where we use that surplus or where it is distributed. The excess part of income over expenditure means excess part of income over expenditure, that is surplus, is not distributed to those who contributed through subscription or donation. Means that surplus is not given to those people who had given donation or subscription to us. It is used to any other purpose, or it is given or it is used for any other person. Next, management. The control and management of non-trading institution is in the hand of trustees or government committee of management. Means who controls management of non-trading institution in the hands of trustee. Means it is controlled by trustees or government committee of management. Means who are the member of that management? They or government committee. Maintenance of accounts. The accounts of non-trading institutions are generally maintained according to double entry bookkeeping system. According to double entry bookkeeping system. What is double entry bookkeeping system? Double entry bookkeeping system means every debit has an equivalent opposite credit. Okay, means हमारी हर एक एंट्री अगर डेबिट हो रही है तो सेम इफेक्ट at the same time credit is also given to another entry. At the end of the year, they make income and expenditure account, balance sheet and receipt and payment account. Okay, at the end of your income and expenditure account. What is income and expenditure account? Income and expenditure account is same as profit and loss account which is made by trading institutions, means profit making institutions, and balance sheet is same as made by trading institutions. And what is receipt and payment account? Receipt and payment account. Here, receipt and payment account is made by only and only non-trading institution because they do not prepare trial balance. Trial balance is prepared by trading institution, but non-trading institutions prepare receipt and payment account, which is same as or similar as cash account. Means receipt and payment account, we record cash inflow and cash outflow, actual, whether it is related to present year or previous year or next year. Okay, today we saw what is non-trading institutions and their features. I hope you liked the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.